In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Instagram account status problem. So if you're currently facing that exact problem, well then I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly before. So I'm going to actually firstly go into my Instagram profile and then come right here as you can see on this page. And then on this page, you're going to firstly locate the three lines. For me, it's in the top right corner, so click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now we're going to actually click on report a problem, and I'm going to actually explain to you why. Then click on report a problem once again. Then we're going to click on include and continue. And perfectly, you should now be taken here. So the reason why we need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this issue. And by the way, they don't reply back to you, but they do actually read what we report, and they do help, just so you know, because me myself, I did the exact same thing and it helped. So basically you're going to now write like this to them: I am having issues with my account status. I am not doing anything wrong. Please fix this for me. So this is what I wrote myself before. I'm having issues with my account status. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please fix this for me. So this is exactly what you need to write to them. Now click on send in the top right corner. And then you're going to wait about 24 to 48 hours. And hopefully after that, this issue should now be resolved for you. So this is basically exactly how to fix this.